here two of the Earthshot Prize Council members, Wanjira Mathai and of course Hindou Oumarou Ibrahim. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Wanjira, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, Ebuka. Thanks for having us.
I mean, for all the pressure that there is on both your shoulders as council members to put all of this together, you're smiling a little too hard. Was this easy work for you?
It's never easy. I mean, you have got to see the extraordinary innovations that come in. It's not an easy task, but it's inspiring.
And you guys went from 139 countries, 2,500 entries, to just picking 15. What is it that stood out about the 15?
I think all the 159 countries are so important. All the innovation are so crucial. But at the end of the day, you have to shrink to 15, as we said. And this is the difficult task. When we get the 15 and we have to choose the 5, I think we struggle a lot because they are all winners. They all look amazing, but we have to do it. And at the end of the day, there are 15 winners.
Yeah.
Everybody's a winner.
So Wanjira, I know you are a huge advocate for sustainability and social development. This is happening at home in Africa. You know, it felt like, okay, we've gone around the world. It's happening here. How does it feel to have this at home? And what message do you want Africans to get tonight?
Well, it's not insignificant that it's happening here. It's really hugely inspiring. I hope that young innovators are not only inspired, but continue to feel that they provide leadership in environmental stewardship. That's Africa today.
Awesome.
You know, we also always talk about how in the year 2030, 40% of the youth in the world will be African. So it's so important for young people to make a change now. What are some things that people can do? What are some websites that they can check out? What are some pieces of information they can read up on just to know a little bit more about this amazing, innovative work that we're doing here?
I think the young people can read, of course, from social media or from the website of the Earthshot, but they can learn from our indigenous ancestral knowledge. They can learn from the grandmothers, from the grandfathers, who know where is the fresh water when it is dry or when it is flood. You know what I'm talking about, like what's happening in Maiduguri, in Chad, with all the floods. Our grandmothers and grandfathers know where they can get a food during this kind of floods. So they have to learn also from our ancestral knowledge. This is our African unique culture and our indigenous unique culture that we do have to protect the Mother Earth.
That is so beautiful.
Don't you think we need to just keep the Earthshot Prize in Africa for the rest? What are you looking forward to tonight?
Well, I'm looking forward to having a good time, celebrating innovation, global innovation, but particularly African excellence.
I think that's the key word there, African excellence.
Africa get the lead on that. We had this Earthshot Prize for years, and this is the year we have it in Africa. And when we see the engagement of the youth, we see the engagement of all the private sector, government, women around the world, is really unique. So we should keep it here.
Let's do it. Okay, hands up if you want to keep the Earthshot Prize in Africa. Amazing.
Completely agree. Thank you so much for all you're doing.
So lovely to meet
and
you.
have fun tonight. I know you've worked so hard, so make sure you enjoy the evening, all right?
Work is done.
Now
Thank
it's
you
time
so
to have
much.
a good time. Enjoy, ladies.
Thank you.